Using burnt sienna for the areas where the sun hits the railing and burnt umber for the shadow areas, I began to define the bridge. For the very cool, dark places on the bridge, use a mixture of ultramarine blue and burnt umber. Notice how I'm painting in the bars of the bridge. My strokes are moving in the same direction of the bars, and I'm starting from the dark and moving into the light. I'm also moving my brush into the snowbanks, giving the indication that the bars go below the snowdrift. On the side of the bridge where the sun will be shining, I'm picking up some burnt sienna to go into the dark mixture in order to create that warm glow that's on the wood.